Hello, everyone. Welcome to Shazam Investing, where I am going to teach you how to invest in the market. After much thought and a lot of encouragement from friends and family, I've decided to create this course to help out individuals who want to know more about investing in the market. $1, just $1 at a time, guys. Now, when it comes to investing in the market, guys, it's free. And so investing in the market is the great equalizer. Now, what do you think of when you see these logos here? Seriously, think about it. Take a moment. Think about it, guys. What do you think of when you see these logos right here? There's your Starbucks, your Coca-Cola, your Apple, your Ford, McDonald's, Instagram, okay? What are you thinking about? For me, what do I think about? Let me tell you what I think about, okay? When it comes to these companies, this is what I'm thinking about. Is the company publicly traded, guys? This is my frame of thought. Every time I see a company, okay, is this company publicly traded? And what do? I go and do my research to see if the company is publicly traded, especially if it's a great company. Now, additionally, guys, number two, I own this company. Yes, I own Starbucks. I own McDonald's, okay? I still own Coca-Cola. Yes, I definitely have Ford. Instagram, I don't own Instagram per se. Nobody can own Instagram per se, but you can definitely own Facebook. Facebook owns Instagram, all right? So guys, pretty much anybody, yes, anybody can own these companies, little pieces at a time, $1 at a time, guys. That's all it takes for you to become an owner in these companies. So as we do this, guys, okay, think about it this way. As long as the company is publicly traded, if it's publicly traded, as in it's available on the stock market, you can own shares, okay? So what in the world is a share? A share is basically fractional ownership of a public company. Additionally, let me throw in two more terms for you. First, partial shares, or second, fractional shares. Partial shares, fractional shares, they're exactly the same thing. So if you cannot afford to buy a whole share of a company, you buy a partial share, you buy a fractional share, whatever your money can afford, as in $1 at a time, guys. So, for example, Amazon, great company. Everybody uses Amazon, but Amazon, the share is super expensive. It's over $3,000 a share, guys. So therefore, not too many individuals who want to own Amazon can drop $3,000 on a share of Amazon. You had to be there at the beginning to get that low price into Amazon, guys. So how do you buy Amazon? If you cannot afford to buy it for $3,000, you buy what your money can afford. So you got $1, you buy $1. You got $10, $20, $30 for $100, you buy what your money can afford, guys. That's what's happening with the stock market right now. Because of free investing and dollar-based investing, guys, you can now go in to practically any brokerage firm and start buying in dollars into these beautiful companies. Now, remember, guys, long-term investing. That's what this game is about. Three things to keep in mind. This is about long-term investing. If you're looking to go in and out of the market, if you're looking for day trading, this is not the course for you. I'm just going to be honest with you. This course is designed for individuals who want to buy their stocks and hold on to them, okay, for at least 3 to 5 years. Because over time, guys, if you're holding on to a stock for that long, you will see some nice gains in the stock. Let me add a caveat here. Not every stock will do well, guys, but the majority of them do if you pick the right one, okay? Only invest, okay? 3 things to keep in. Number one, only invest money that you do not need for the next 3 to 5 years. And you will hear me say this over and over again. And guys, you can start investing for as little as $1. And remember, investing is not free, okay? So yes, guys, on any platform, you can buy, you can sell for free, $0. You don't pay anything, no commission whatsoever to invest in the market. Now, guys, listen to this sad statistic I just read. Actually, somebody shared this with me and it hurt me, okay? Now, according to this recent survey by Investopedia, 55% of Americans invest in the market. By the way, it used to be worse than that, okay? During quarantine, during the pandemic, guys, more individuals are invested in the market now because so many people were at home figuring out what to do. And a lot of people decided to go into the market and start investing. So guys, here's the staggering statistics. 70% of whites are invested in the market. That means that every 7 out of 10 Caucasian individual is invested in the market. Wow, only 30% of blacks are invested in the market, as in 3 out of 10 black individuals are invested in the market, guys, okay? Again, the stock market is the great equalizer. So therefore, anybody now can go and purchase these stocks. There was a time when, guys, you had to pay a commission to buy and sell. So you would pay like $7 when I first started investing. I had to pay $7 to buy a company, to buy shares of a company. I had to pay $7 to sell shares of a company. So in the end, just in fees alone, I had to pay $14 in fees to buy and sell. But now, guys, all of it is free, okay? So you can do this, people, and you must do this. It's about time for you to do this, okay? So guys, I am on this mission. As you can tell, I'm very passionate about this. If you cannot tell yet, yes, I am extremely passionate about this, guys. So it's time to take action. You are here because you want to do this, guys. You want to take action. So I am going to help you starting today, okay, to help you take action. Now, the way the course is set up, it's set up in these video modules. So you choose the video modules you want to watch, guys, although I would ask you to watch them in order, starting with the welcome video and then going into module number 1, which is what we are watching and listening to right now. You are here because you want to take the step towards investing, guys. So we're going to do this, and let's go ahead and do it. Guys, let me tell you how fortunate you are. When I first started investing, I did not have this option available to me where I could say, you know what, I'm going to find somebody to show me how to do this. Seriously, I went out and figured all this stuff out on my own. I got a little piece here and a little piece there, and I strung it together, okay? And then I am here with you today. And as we go through this journey together, I will be sharing some of my success stories as well as some of the not so great stories, okay? And I do not call them failures. I call them learning experiences, okay, guys? So first, you need to decide which platform you would like to invest in. That's number 1, guys. There's multiple platforms out there. There are apps, so many apps out there. And then you've got the larger brokerage firms that have a long history of investing, which a lot of younger people, millennials, are moving away from. So guys, in order of difficulty level, from easy to hard, from the easiest one to the hardest one, okay, this is what I am telling you. I've done the research. This is what I've found, guys. And many of the individuals I work with that are actually investing in the market, they tell me this all the time, guys. Number 1, Cash App is the easiest way for you to get started investing in the market. Cash App is only allowed, it's only allowing you to do dollar-based investing. So you cannot go in there and say, I want to buy 10 shares, I want to buy 20 shares. No, you can only buy in dollars, guys. So you got $10, drop it. You got $20, drop it. Whatever you got, drop it. You already use it, so why not go into the investment portion, which I'm going to show you later on, and drop those coins in there, guys. Well, drop the dollars, not the coins. Drop the dollars, not the coins, okay, guys? Now, second easiest so far, I think, is Robinhood, guys. Robinhood is the double OG of free investing. Robinhood, guys, is the reason why we are allowed to invest for free, commission free, guys. Last year in 2019, Robinhood decided, no, all the other platforms. You know what? Let me take it back a bit. Let's go back further, even further, guys, okay? So back in 2013, these two friends, they were working for these large brokerage firms, and they realized, wait a minute, all the trading and investing in market was being done by robots, machines. And they're like, wait a minute, why are you big brokerage houses charging fees to people to invest in the market when machines are doing it? So they're like, okay, you know what? We're going to create our own platform. So they created Robinhood, and the fundamentals of Robinhood was free investing for anybody. So in 2013, they started Robinhood, guys, okay, with the idea of free investing. And so today, they've got well over 10 million investors on the app, guys, okay? Well over 10 million investors in the app, Shazam, okay? And so, free, 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 free. And the beautiful thing about Robinhood now is that you can buy in shares or you can buy in dollars, guys. I love it. I love Robinhood. I've been a Robinhood member since April 2nd, 2019. Yes, I remember. I'm going to give you guys the stories, okay? I'll share all the stuff with you. Guys, listen, what you just bought into was a lifetime membership into Shazam Investing, guys. So whatever you paid for this course, let me tell you, you are getting away with murder. Why? Because, guys, the rewards that you're going to get for investing in the market is way more than what you paid for this course. I am telling you guys, okay? So let's keep going, guys. Now, if you are a more advanced learner, or perhaps you just want a platform where you can reach out to someone, you can pick up the phone and call an 800 number, then you want to go to one of the larger brokerage houses. And I've done my research. How do I do my research? Boots on the ground. I actually start accounts with these companies, guys, and I check them out to see if they work. So I'm doing the research for you. So when I talk about these things, I've tried them, I've tested them, guys. Yes, I'm not gonna come to you with information, okay, without doing the background research. Look at all these books back here. What do you think that is? Okay, so guys, Fidelity, awesome customer service. TD Ameritrade, they're good too. They got decent customer service too. But number one, I would go to Fidelity. Then let me tell you why I would go with Fidelity. Because Fidelity has an app-based investing tool as well, where you can buy in dollars. But TD Ameritrade, you can only purchase in shares. You cannot buy in dollars. They do have an app, but you still have to buy shares, okay? So guys, those are the platforms that I am discussing in this module right here. But there are other platforms, and you will see some of them later on. But these are the 4 which you can think about to get started on your investing journey, guys, okay? Now, remember, you want something that's easy to use, okay? That's easy to use for you, whatever your comfort level is, okay? Like I said, I am going to give you demos later on in these modules. So you watch the demos and see if you can figure out what's easier for you. I will add some more demos later on, okay? So the ones that are easy to use, dollar-based investing and no 800 number would be Cash App and Robinhood. However, the ones that are a little bit more challenging to use, but they do come with an 800 number. So if you need help, you pick up the phone and you call somebody, and somebody will be on the other line to help you through the process. Fidelity, they do have dollar-based investing in the app. And in TD Ameritrade, there's no dollar invest. You have to buy in shares, guys, okay? So now, I know it's a lot of information to take in, guys, but listen, it's worth it. It's so worth it for you to get this knowledge. This knowledge is worth it, guys, okay? it's better to be overeducated, to be more knowledgeable about this information, guys, than not to be. Seriously, okay? Now, once you decide which platform you want to use, guys, it's time for you to go ahead and fund the account. And what I mean by that is you need to make sure the account is connected to your bank account. Make sure it's connected to your bank account. You want to transfer money, guys, into the account. Now, what I recommend is this. You want to transfer money the day you get paid, guys. I kid you not, okay? Every time I get paid, I automatically go on my cell phone, on my Robinhood app, and I automatically transfer $50 into Robinhood. I don't care what's going on, what bills I have to pay. By the way, this is part of paying yourself first, guys. Yes, by the way, that part, we talk about it in the Shazam Finances course, okay? So I've got another course going called Shazam Finances, okay? So guys, whatever I get paid, whatever bills I have to pay, I always take some money and I pay myself first. How do I do it? This is one way I do it. I take that money and I put it in my investment account on Robinhood so I can buy more shares of these companies. So when you have excess money after paying the bills, you don't need it, just go ahead, guys, and drop it into your account. Any unexpected money that you receive, you don't have to drop a whole bunch. Just drop something in there, whether it's in Cash App, Robinhood, whatever platform you're using, okay, guys? Now, additionally, this is a great one, guys, okay? And once in a while, you'll purchase these companies that pay a dividend, okay? So once you're earning these dividends, by the way, guys, dividend represents any distribution of profits from a company to its shareholders. We talked about shareholders earlier. Now we're talking about dividend. Dividend is just like interest, money that is given to you for just holding on to the shares of these companies. So it's just profit, excess profit that some of these companies will pay. Notice I said some of these companies. Not all of these companies, guys, pay out a dividend. You will find some of them that pay out a dividend. I love dividend investing, so I intentionally seek out the dividend payers, so I invest in them. We will be doing a module on dividend investing as well, okay? So why do I mention dividend? Because this is another source of money that you can use to invest in markets. So once your dividends drop in your account, you can choose to take the dividends and reinvest them in the market. All right, guys. So hopefully you are learning through this process. You're not getting overwhelmed, okay? And so guys, listen, if you are ready, it's time to start investing. Now, in this particular module, I'm just going to focus on the individual stocks, but later on, we'll talk about ETFs. We'll talk about REITs. We'll talk about index funds as well, okay? So guys, there are 3 habits of great investors. So here they are, 3 habits of smart investors, of great investors. Number 1, they buy low and sell high. They buy low and sell high. By the way, you can set up alerts on your cell phone. So basically, these platforms will let you know when a stock is up, when a stock is down, and so forth and so on, okay? They do their research. Guys, you must do your research. I'm not a licensed professional to tell you which stocks to purchase. I am only going to share the ones that I am buying, okay? And the ones that I am watching, okay? But I'm not going to tell you which ones to buy. That's why your research coming. You got to do your research to figure out which one of these companies you really like. And we're going to talk about how you can do some of that research, okay? Now, do not sell when everyone else is panicking. When you see the market tanking, guys, don't go selling your shares. It just happened recently, like last week, okay? For 2 days in a row, I mean, I watch my account just losing money. By the way, I have multiple accounts. I watch both of accounts. I mean, many of my accounts just lose lots of money, guys. I mean, my Robinhood account alone, guys, it was dropping like $1,500 a day. And so, do you think I sold anything? Absolutely not. I stayed calm, cool, and collected, guys, because I know I'm in here, I'm in this for the long haul. So I hold on to my stocks for the long haul, guys. Now, the other thing I want to say is this, guys. I don't want to make the videos too long, okay? So I am going to have to pause this one right here, and I am going to do module 2 from this point on. I'm going to pick up with module 2 from this point on. So this one right here, guys, will end module number 1, and then I am going to go ahead and continue to module number 2. All right, guys. So see you in module number 2.